All right, guys, I believe we are over here by Oakland right now. We got a tornado on the ground right in front of us. Oakland, Nebraska. We are about 4 miles south of this, so it's going to get rain wrapped, so it's going to be very hard to see. You can see the tail end going into it right now. It's a pretty good sized wedge on the ground. It's actually tracking right at us right now, but we're safe. We're a few miles from it. See that tail coming in? Again, we are by Oakland, Nebraska right now. Pretty big raindrops. We do have a rain band coming in over here. You can kind of see that's not a tornado, that's just a rain band. The tornado is actually right in front of me, right in front of your screen. It's spinning like crazy. Yep. You can kind of see it. You guys can see it right now. It's right in front of us. We have our chaser, Dalton Anderson and Tim Jones with us right now. But we do have a tornado right there on the ground. Yeah, the winds are west-northwest right now. Directly west now. There is a farmstead on the other side, guys. It's about I would say about a mile from where we're at right now.